Okay, so this is AIME Q10, right? 2022.
Okay, so
You have three spheres that are kind of touching. And what were their radius?
11, 13, and 19.
We should finish lunch before the seniors arrive.
Okay, so I guess you just draw like the diagram of the circle.
So 11, 13, and 19 spheres, yeah? And let's call this like A, OA, OB, OC is the centers, yeah? Is that what they had ABC as? And then you have a plane that cuts so the three spheres are tangent. And you have a plane that cuts them. And the centers of the circles that it cuts is like A, B, and C. Is that right?
Just checking this.
This is like, so this could be like A, B, C. This is O, C, O, B, O, A. Yeah?
Okay, well, first we can draw a diagram passing through diagram of a plane passing through OA and OB, so it's easier.
OA and OB.
Okay, and we want to aim for it. We just hypothetically say it.
Oh, we know AB squared is 560, yeah?
Yeah, so we just draw the diagram with OA, OB, AB.
Okay, so do the
cross section.
So do this. So this is like a trapezium.
A, B, O, A, O, B. Okay.
So you know this length.
So we know that that's 24, I think.
Just add the radii.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now we want the AB to be 560. That's 560. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Wait, let me think about this for a moment.
Oh, so
okay,
root 560 is the height of the
We
trapezium.
want to figure. Okay,
like
firstly, which way is AB tilted? Wait, that's the first question.
I think the bigger the circle is.
Oh, so because you have 560, you can work out the angle, right?
Well, it should be tilted like the A way because we want the circle radii to be the same. So we want A to be closer to OA than B to be closer to OB because
yes.
OA well.
Oh, 24 is longer than root 560, yeah.
Which means that we do want
smaller. Wait, what's?
Oh, no, root 560 is smaller.
We want AOA to be less than BOB because of the.
You want
sphere.
what?
We want AOA to be less than BOB.
Less than BOB.
Because we want the circles to be the same size, and 11 is less than 13.
Try to make it as flat as possible.
Which means that we really want the plane to be closer to A than B.
Long.
So therefore, firstly, we just move AB down so that A goes to OA.
A goes to OA.
Because we need to do some Pythagoras.
Yeah, like draw lines such that A parallel to AB.
Oh, another height. Like this.
Yeah, so we do that. That's still root 560.
Mm-hmm.
And we find the height by Pythagoras.
And what is the height?
No, the height is root 560.
No, wait, we want the
OB, that little
OB to the little.
That thing is 4, right?
You want this thing, yeah.
Apparently it's 4 if I did my math.
Yeah, 576.
Okay, so now that is 4, so that BOB equals AOA plus 4.
Wait, say again. BOB.
BOB equals AOA plus 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we do the algebra.
Do the algebra.
So we can basically just do the algebra by using Pythagoras to make the circles
Silo-based intercontinental ballistic system.
To make the circles what?
Make the circles the same.
I wonder if we could collapse the circles to points. Anyway, keep going.
Alright, that's maybe. Yeah. So.
Oh wait. Yeah, sorry, this is a bit of an irrelevant tangent, but if you had the same plane and you kept it parallel and you kept moving it up
And you-
until it was
You shrunk a circle to a point and you moved it
Until
closer.
it's to 560.
Does that
oh
work?
no
Wait,
because
that
it,
might
no
not keep
you
the
can't all
circle
it can't have all three. You can do one circle to a point
Yeah.
at least, but you might not. Once one of
Yeah.
them's a point, the other two might.
It might not work. But like we do a little algebra.
But when you do that, it makes one of the lengths easier to calculate. Like AOA will just be the radii of the sphere.
So I did 11 squared minus x squared. Okay, so x squared. Wait, x is AOA. And then I let like the other one be x plus 4.
Okay.
So then 11 squared minus x squared equals 13 squared minus x plus 4 squared.
11 squared minus x squared.
Equals 13 squared minus x plus 4.
Equals 13 squared minus x plus 4 squared.
That thing's yeah.
Oh, why is that? So that's
So we did Pythag to the spheres, I guess. It's easier to see if you draw the diagram with the circle. So like, want the circle radii to be the same.
the circle radii.
Like yeah, the circle radii are on.
Oh, it tells us that they're congruent circles. Does it?
It said that like the same size, right?
Oh.
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, so it says that the radii of those little circles.
So we just find that those are on AV, so it's pretty easy.
Okay. Wait, if the radii are the same,
then you just
Punchline.
oh no, you can't do the same thing to the point.
no. But you just do algebra.
Okay, so that those expressions are for the radii, right?
Yeah, or the squares of the radii.
Oh,
I get x equals 4, but I don't know what it's like.
hold on. So 11 squared. Oh, okay, because the edge of the radii is on the sphere, right? Uh-huh. Oh, that's very good. Okay, so you get 2. So 13 squared minus 11 squared is 2 times 24. X plus 4 squared minus x squared is 4 times 2x plus 4, right? So then
just cancel out.
2x plus 4 equals 2 times 6. X plus 2 equals 6.
X equals 4.
X equals 4. Wow, well done.
Okay, so now we know the distances for the perpendicular distances from the plane to each of OA and OB.
So you can do the same thing for the other side.
Okay, now we just spin it around to AC and pretty much do a single.
Okay, but this time you don't have the heights.
This time we go from one of the heights to get the other height.
Okay, so let's have a look at. So which one do we want to look at now? OA.
AC, OA, OC plane.
Okay. AC. OC. OA, is that right?
Yeah, like that. Okay, so OA, OC, firstly we say that that's 30. 11 plus 19.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's 30.
Okay, we already have AOA's 4.
AOA is 4, good. Oh,
Okay.
so it's like we're working at it with two
Now
different
we just
sides.
do kind of the same thing.
But for different sides.
So what do we think? So I guess we can just make like COC Y. I mean Y or something.
COCY. Got some negatives. Or maybe 4 plus Y?
No, we don't know it's 4 plus yet. This could be anything. So we're trying to find it.
Okay.
Now you get like 11 squared minus 4 squared equals 19 squared minus y squared.
11 squared. So 11 squared minus 4 squared equals 19 squared minus y squared.
Yeah, I think that's how you do it. Okay, that's still pretty easy to do.
So you got y then.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
And we get y, and we need to use the fact that they're on the same side to quadratic.
You got y equals 16.
So let's see, y minus 2, y minus 4, y plus 4 equals 8 times 30, alright?
It's 16.
Wait, do we know y is an integer?
It could be.
Okay, so y squared minus
I guess.
16 is 8 times 30 equals 16 plus 8 times 30, which is 8 outside of 2 plus 30,
8 times 32.
which is 8 squared times 4, right?
Okay, so y is 16.
So y equals 8 times 2.
Probably 16.
8 times 2 is probably 16.
Yeah, I mean, if it was minus 16, it wouldn't work because they're on the same side. So
Okay, and we are done.
I guess it works. Yeah. And so now we can just like do stuff to figure it. So we basically do the reverse again. So we move A down to OA again. And then it's triangle stuff.
So y is 16.
16. So now we just do the same thing we did the other one in reverse. We move A down to OA.
Down to
get a right triangle.
Which
Wait,
is 12.
so this is like
12.
12, is that what you're saying?
So,
And 100 minus 100.
So AC squared
856.
equals 30 squared minus 12 squared, is that right?
yeah.
Oh, 756.
Hmm?
Yeah, that's 756.
Yeah,
That's
756
to 18 times 42, yeah? We asked for AC, what do we ask for?
Squared. AC squared.
We asked for AC squared.
Otherwise, it will be a square root, and you can't put that in the.
Did they ask?
Can't put that in the question slot.
Yeah.
AC squared.
Sure.
Wow, you guys are amazing. Okay, so what's 18 times 42?
The young ones can do something.
So it's 840 minus 84.
756.
760, 756. Very good.
You finished 2 AIME history.
A ton of trapeziums.
Funny diagram.
It's like trapeziums where it's like
Unknown.
there's a height is one of the sides. It's like almost like a rectangle. It's like a rectangle on one, half a rectangle, half a parallel.
UNSW question, last question.
We never used the
UNSW
other
last question.
We only used 2 of them.
Yeah, what happened with the other one?
I don't know.
Is the other one consistent?
Is it just fine?
Is it 756?
The other one?
Check answer.
Well, I guess maybe the other one is like if you want to find BC squared or something.
Yeah. Because if we don't have the other one, then it just.
Well, we don't know BC squared. Well.
When we do it again, why?
And it should still work. It's just like. Yeah, because the trapeziums are just getting squished, but like the trapeziums themselves are still. I don't know.
is the answer.
Should be fine.
70.
Okay.